This is always a popular year and model at Unique, especially in classics. Take a look at this 1970 Chevelle Malibu two-door hardtop. $396, big block underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the front bumper, headlight surrounds, grille. Now you see the SS emblem up front. I would say SS Tribute. Nicely done though. And it will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price, and it may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through all the still pictures. SS Rally style wheels. Cooper Cobra radials. Originally a cranberry red car with ivory interior. Look at those panels. Nice and straight on the passenger side here. And as you can see, paint shows well. Interior, ivory vinyl, buckets, center console. There's your 4-speed on the floor. Now there are some things that are going to come with this also. It does appear to have some parts for the cowl induction hood, manual, and original radio. There's your air cleaner, the cowl induction, some molding, a duster, car cover, miscellaneous parts. You'll be able to check those all out in the still pictures too. So take your time looking through those. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. We come around to look at the rear chrome in this car. Chrome nice in front and rear. Also done up nicely as an SS Tribute. Dual exhaust. I'm going to start this car up here at the end so you can hear it run. But first, remember those still pictures. Take your time looking through them. UniqueClassicCars.com. As you can see, paint shows well. Great reflection in it, where you can see the ceiling. Now let's take a look down this driver's side. Really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I mean, there's a couple spots where I've seen maybe a little red touch-up. I don't know if I can find them back or get them to show up. There was one real small one. And I noticed one, again, very small right there if you can see it. But overall, you can see this paint does show well. And the interior, so seat belts intact in the rear. Again, ivory vinyl. SS on the door panel. Black carpeting. No rips, tears, holes. Everything looks good on the vinyl. Aftermarket tack mounted to the steering column. Let's fire this up, see how it sounds. Fires right up. Aftermarket tack is working. Fuel gauge. There's a couple aftermarket gauges down here. Temp gauge and oil pressure. You can see that. A little later model like retro sound style radio. Here's it is working. Let's go ahead and go station and come in. Radio working. Nice idle in this car. Top of the dash looks good. Slip around in the back. There, you can hear that 396. All right, let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. I got a couple of hood pins to get out. I want to get this hood open. We'll check out this engine bay. And then don't forget, check out the driving video at the end. There's the underside of the hood. And engine bay, 396. 4-barrel carb, headers, and power steering, power brakes, HEI ignition. Boy, that is smooth running. Look at that engine. Doesn't move. Looks good, sounds good underneath here. Wouldn't be ashamed to have your hood open in your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. What a beauty. Always a head turner. 1970 Chevelle Malibu 2-door hardtop. Little SS Tribute. Remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. 507-386-1726. Call to inquire about it. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1970 Chevelle in red with black stripes with a cowl induction hood pins. And this is a 4-speed on the floor. Really good running car. Started right up, idled right away. Excellent power from this Chevelle, as you would expect. Retro sound style radio works well in the dash. Our fuel gauge is reading a half of a tank. We do have a factory clock behind here. It is not ticking. Tachometer mounted to the column does work. Under the dash we have a water temperature gauge reading about 150. Oil PSI is about 55 PSI. If I let go of the wheel going down the road, this car stays nice and straight where I put it. We have white doors and seats, looking factory, black carpet and dash and headliner. It's kind of a nice look. Factory horn working. This car corners well. Nice sound to this Chevelle. Nice feeling clutch, good feeling shifter. This is equipped with floor vents. Blower motor does work, the wipers do work. Very fun to drive Chevelle. Definitely check it out at UniqueClassicCars.com.